Hi, I want to show you how you're going to keep your grazing records straight on ruumi. Let's say this is your farm. You have growing cattle that's grazing these 6 fields. The easiest way to keep records is, of course, to do it right away when something is happening. So you can do that on our mobile app or here on desktop. You simply take this icon, drag it to the next field, and then tell us what was your post-grazing cover in the field that you're leaving, and what is the pre-grazing cover in the new field where you're arriving. These values are pre-filled based on what we think is correct, but you should correct it if these numbers are wrong. You press Move Animals, and you're done. And you will find the records that you've input also in your record section here. But you're not going to be able to track all your movements, so you may have forgotten or you have some data that you want to backfill. You can do that in 2 different ways. One is you select the animal group that you want to add a grazing event to, click on View Rotations, and then you will see this overview where all the grazing events for an animal group in a given grazing season are displayed. In purple, you'll have events that we found using satellite imagery. In green, you'll have events that you input yourself, for example, by dragging the animal marker, or they're events that we found and you thought they're actually correct. If there's a purple event here and you think it's correct, click on it and press Accept. If you want to add events that are missing here manually, you can also do that by clicking on this Add Grazing Event button. This is how we help you complete your records. You can also review your grazing records in the record section. Here, you also have in green events that you've input or accepted, and events that we are proposing that may or may not be correct. If you want to accept it from here, or edit it, or delete it because they're not correct, then you can also do that. And once you have complete records, you can export it very easily here on the export button as a PDF, where each event is just chronologically sorted as a CSV, or where you have PDF where every event is sorted by field.